Here, the question says round off each of the following to the number of significant figures as given in brackets. So, 3748, we need to round off this 3748 in three significant figures. Look, 3748 is four significant figures number. So, right now, if I want to convert into three significant figures, that will be 1, 2, 3. That means we need to round off to nearest 10. So 8 will be converted as 0. For 8, 4 will be 5. Okay, we need to add 1 with the previous number. So 4 plus 1, 5. 7 and 3 will remain same. So if I want to convert 3748 to three significant figure, it will be 3750. Done. Now second one, B. 0.00470989 to four significant figure. At first, we need to find out that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is six significant figures number. But we need to convert into four significant figures. So we will stop here. Okay, we will stop up to 9. Now, what is the next digit after 9? It will be 8. For 8, that is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 with the previous number. So 9 plus 1, 10. We need to add 1 with 0. So 1. Then 7, 4, 0, 0.0. You need to remember that 0.00, these zeros cannot be considered as a significant figure. Be careful, okay? Now, next one. Here, 4971 to two significant figures. So, 4971. Actually, this number is four significant figures number. So, if I want to convert into two significant figure, then we need to stop at second number. Then, what is the digit after 9? This is 7. So, for 7, we will add 1 with 49. 49 plus 1, 50. Okay. So, answer will be 5,000. So, if I want to convert 4971 to nearest two significant figure, then answer will be 5,000. Very simple. Now, next one. Question number D. Question number D says 0.09999. We need to convert into three significant figure. So, how can we convert into three significant figure? That is, look, this one are four significant figures number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is four significant figures number and we need to convert into three significant. So we will stop 1, 2, 3 first. So 0.0999. So if I add 1 with it, look, 9 plus 1, 10. We need to add 1, 9 plus 1, 10. We need to add 1, 9 plus 1, 10. We need to add 1, 1 plus 0, 1. So 0.1000. Look, the question says to convert into three significant. We are finding out that answer is already in four significant. So we need to cut last 0. So final answer will be 0.100. This is our final answer.